Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're comparing two wellness apps making waves in 2025, and they are Liven App and Calm. Both of them aim to reduce stress and improve mental health, but they work in very different ways. Let's break it down. Because we know that health is wealth. So if we want to talk about finance, we need you to ensure that your health is good for you to make more money and be wealthy. So let's start with their main focus. Liven App is focused on AI-powered daily mental health support, while Calm is focused on meditation, sleep, and mindfulness. When we look at ease of use, Liven App has chat-based AI wellness check-ins, while Calm has guided sessions and a library of tracks. When we look at the AI strengths, Liven App has mood tracking and personalized stress advice, while Calm has curated meditation, sleep stories, and focus music. When we look at the price, Liven App has a free plan and affordable premium plan, while Calm has subscription-based plan and a higher pricing. When we look at what or who they are best for, Liven App is best for young professionals, and stress management, while Calm is best for anyone wanting meditation and better sleep. Then we look at the output style. Liven App has conversations, reminders, and tailored insights, while Calm has audio and video sessions with experts and celebrities. In conclusion, Liven App acts like an AI wellness buddy, checking in on your moods, offering tailored advice, and helping you manage stress day to day. Calm, on the other hand, is a meditation giant, famous for its sleep stories, breathing exercise, and music that helps you relax and focus. So if you want personalized AI-driven mental health support, Liven App is a great choice. But if you prefer guided meditation and proven mindfulness practice, then Calm is a classic winner. Which one would you use? Comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more smart comparisons here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.